Wanna add a logo to your video in CapCut on your iPhone or Android? Open up CapCut and start a new project. Pick your video and add it. Now go to Overlay and hit Add Overlay. This is where you will bring in your logo. Choose your logo from photos and drop it onto your video. Now just move it around and place it whenever you want. If you want to remove the background of your logo, swipe right and open Remove Background. Go with Auto Removal for a quick clean cutout. For making your logo more stand out, add a stroke effect if you want it to pop more. And lastly, if you want your logo on the whole video, just drag the timeline slider all the way to the end so it stays on screen. Give it a final take, play the video to see if everything looks good. When you are happy, save it to your photos. It's look amazing. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.